thing. Am I crazy or is this just coming away right before our eyes? Bro, am I crazy? Are we seeing the same thing here? Bro, that thing just erased it like nothing. What's up, Camel Guys fam? You've got stains, we've got the fix with our all-new Lightning Fast Spot Fix Carpet and Fabric Spot Cleaner. This right here is gonna elevate your spot cleaning game with a deep penetrated formula that tackles stains easier and faster than ever. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, let's analyze the problem. So you see right here on this little area right here, there's a ton of spots. I'm not entirely sure what they're from. I'm assuming it's probably from coffee or some kind of spilled liquid, but I can definitely tell that those spots have been there for a very long time, judging upon the rest of the condition of the interior. This thing is absolutely disgusting. The leather has seen way better days. There's dirt, grime, crumbs, everything everywhere on this interior. I ain't gonna lie, I should probably be wearing a hazmat suit and gloves, but you know what? Let's live a little. All right, guys, I ain't gonna lie, we're trying to get rid of these stains as fast as possible because if you guys don't know, we're off at 5 and it's 4:31, and that means we only have about half an hour to get this job done. But as you can see, we have a bunch of stains right here, but luckily for us, we're not gonna need all that time because we have our spot fix, which is gonna get rid of these stains in no time. All right, guys, so the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is grab your bottle of Lightning Fast Spot Fix, and you're gonna wanna go ahead and shake the bottle very thoroughly first to mix the formula well together. Once you do that, go ahead and take off the cap. Now, the first thing that you'll notice is the spray nozzle. It's not your traditional vertical spray nozzle that you spray directly. It's actually upside down with the kind of more of like a little laser lock. So what you're gonna go ahead and do is flip it upside down. You're gonna point directly at the stains, and then you're just gonna go ahead and spray directly onto the stains. As you can see, there's a bunch of different spots right here, and we're gonna go one by one and treat every single spot. So that way we have the maximum dwell time and cleaning time possible. Whenever you spray the product onto the affected area, you want to let that sit from anywhere for about 30 seconds for it to kind of dwell, break down the dirt, break down the grime, any kind of thing that's trapped within the carpet. That way it has enough time to break that stuff down. So we're going to go ahead and spray directly right here. And as you can see, it has a deep penetrating formula. We're just going to go ahead and go one by one on all these little spots right here. Wow, look at that coverage. That thing is beautiful. And if you feel like you need more, feel free to go ahead and use more. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of lost track of the ones I sprayed already. But you can actually tell like right away, this thing actually like dissolves a lot of those stains very easily. I ain't gonna lie, this is actually pretty fun. It's kind of like playing a game. Play like tic-tac-toe. All right, guys, now once you spray all the affected area, if you want to go ahead and use more, feel free to use more. I mean, that's the beauty about this product, is that it has a deep penetrating formula. So if you feel like you need more, spray more. And what you can also do is either spray and then scrub with the brush for more affected areas, or if it's pretty light and you just want to go ahead and do a quick spot clean, what you can also do is spray directly onto the affected area, grab a microfiber towel and wipe off the residue. But since I have my brush right here, I'm gonna go ahead and start agitating with the brush, because as you can see, these stains are actually pretty embedded. We wanna make sure that we thoroughly clean up all these stains, because I ain't gonna lie, guys, this car has not been cleaned in a very long time, so we wanna make sure that we show it some love. But right away, guys, check out those results. I'm actually pretty impressed at how quickly and how easily they're coming out. You can actually see those stains. Even before I started scrubbing, they almost kind of like erased themselves. All right, guys, and as mentioned, make sure to thoroughly scrub for the more affected carpet areas that are affected with these stains. You can see this chocolate thing. I don't even know what that is right there, but I'm gonna spray a little bit more on there. Gotta love that cleaning power. We're gonna spray, we're gonna scrub, and damn, you can actually see it's like instantly erasing that thing. Am I crazy or is this just coming away right before our eyes? Bro, am I crazy? Are we seeing the same thing here? Bro, that thing just erased it like nothing. That's crazy. But look, as you can see, we've already scrubbed this entire area. What I'm gonna do right now is just grab a microfiber towel. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have ourselves a fresh, beautiful microfiber towel. Camera A, camera B, can you guys see that? Fresh towel, cool, cool, cool. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're simply gonna wipe the area clean. And damn, look at that. That thing looks beautiful, guys. Look at those stains that we thought were never gonna disappear. Look at that, they're gone in seconds. So the reality is the owner thought these stains were gonna be there forever. Guys, all it took was a couple sprays, a couple scrubs, about 5 minutes of work, and that's it. We have these carpets looking better than ever, better than brand new, I would say. Damn. Bro, I wish to get pictures of this. This looks really good. And for those of you guys wondering, does it work on just more than your car? Abso-freaking-lutely. If we turn the bottle right here, we can read it together. As you can see right here, you can use it on things like carpets, rugs, your upholstery, your floor mats, cloth seats, you name it, on your home, on your office, in your car, your truck, your SUV, your boat, whatever it is. Lightning fast spot fix. You got the stains? This right here, it's the fix. Bam! As you guys saw, we're showing you guys how quick and easy it is to get great results with this all new product. And I ain't gonna lie guys, I'm very excited. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of jump around the car, do the rest of the interior, and get rid of all these little stains that are just really driving me crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if you guys wanna pick up your very own bottle of lightning fast spot fix, you can do so on our website, chemicalguys.com, or swing by our local detail garage store. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time.